Welcome to Stay4You Premier Hub, your ultimate destination for connecting with world-class holiday accommodations and hospitality property opportunities. Whether you're seeking a serene retreat, an exciting city escape, or a profitable investment, Stay4You Premier Hub is designed to streamline your search and deliver tailored options that suit your needs. With a user-friendly interface and a network of property owners, we make it easy to browse, compare, and connect directly, ensuring a seamless experience from start to finish. Stay4You. Premier Hub is more than just a platform. It's your gateway to creating unforgettable travel memories and unlocking the potential of premium hospitality properties worldwide. Explore today and elevate your stay your way. Stay4You allows property owners to list their properties for sale or rent, and travelers or buyers can browse these listings to find suitable accommodations or investment opportunities. The platform enables direct communication between users and property owners, ensuring transparency and personalized arrangements. Let's look at how to book a property. Browse the available listings and contact the property owner directly through the platform to discuss availability, pricing, and any specific requirements. This direct interaction ensures that all your queries are addressed promptly. Next, engaging directly with property owners allows you to ask questions and gather detailed information about the property. A helpful and accessible owner can build trust and provide insights into the property and local area, enhancing your overall experience. In conclusion, Stay4You recommends clear communication and obtaining all necessary information before proceeding with any transaction. While the platform facilitates connections, it's crucial to perform due diligence and ensure that all agreements are transparent and mutually understood. For more detailed information and assistance, visit the Stay4You Q&A page. And note, always exercise caution and perform due diligence when engaging in property transactions to ensure a safe and satisfactory experience. To stay updated on all our latest videos, make sure to subscribe so you're notified as soon as new content is available. For additional information or specific inquiries, feel free to reach out to us directly to services@stay4you.com. We're here to help with all your hospitality property needs.